Bilal, have you ever noticed something strange?
What?
Some of the most intelligent students, the toppers, the ones who score the highest marks, still struggle to speak English confidently.
Yes, I have seen that many times.
Meanwhile, some average students, who were never class toppers, speak English fluently.
Exactly.
So the question is, why do intelligent students fail in English speaking?
Is the problem intelligence, or is the problem something else?
And by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this happens and how to fix it. Bilal, when we were in school, what was the definition of a good student?
Simple. Good student means good marks.
Exactly.
If you memorize the book, you get marks.
But speaking English is not about memorizing.
It is about thinking and responding in real time.
And that is the first problem.
Many intelligent students are trained to memorize, not communicate.
They know grammar rules.
They know vocabulary.
But when someone suddenly asks them a question,
Their brain freezes
not because they are not intelligent,
because they were trained the wrong way.
do schools really teach English speaking? Not really. Most schools teach grammar rules, translation, writing essays, but very little speaking practice. Students study English for 10 years, yet many cannot speak confidently because speaking is a skill, and skills require practice. Language learning is very different from academic learning. Bilal, brain learns language through repetition and use. Children do not memorize grammar books. They listen, they repeat, they make mistakes, and slowly the brain adapts. But adults often skip this natural process. They try to learn English like mathematics, and that never Bilal. Bilal, if someone wants to speak English confidently, what should they focus on?
3 things.
Skill number 1, listening.
If you want to speak English, you must hear English daily.
Skill number 2, speaking practice.
Even if you speak alone.
Even if you make mistakes.
Skill number 3, thinking in English.
Instead of translating from your native language.
Bilal, many students try to learn 30 words a day.
And forget 25 of them.
Exactly.
That is why I recommend the 3-word daily system.
3 words every day.
Use them in sentences.
Speak them aloud.
Review them after 1 day.
After 30 days,
You will know 90 strong words. To the student watching this right now,
who thinks English is impossible,
who feels embarrassed when speaking,
who believes they are not good enough.
listen carefully.
Your problem is not intelligence.
Your problem was the method,
Change the method.
and everything changes.
Imagine 6 months from today.
You are speaking English confidently.
You understand conversations.
You express your ideas clearly.
That future begins with one decision.
Start speaking today,
Not tomorrow,
not next week.
today.
If you are starting your English journey today, write "starting" in the comments.
And if this video helped you,
Subscribe to the channel.
because we will help you become confident in English.
See you in the next video.